this video of the Bezi 101 series, we're going to go through object composition through the visibility and transform properties panel. Before we begin, a quick note. Most of everything covered here are stateful, meaning that they can be influenced by the state machine. Our interactive design section of Bezi 101 will go into more detail on how to use the state machine. For now, let's continue with object composition in Bezi. Let's start with the visibility panel. First, select the object you want to work with. Once selected, visibility controls will appear in the properties panel. From the right, you can toggle the visibility of the selected object. This change will be reflected in the hierarchy panel, helping you keep track of which objects are displayed. In the middle of the visibility panel is object transparency. This is useful in creative applications for fine-tuning the visibility of objects in complex scenes. This property also affects groups and the objects within those groups. Next is the visibility toggle located on the left. With an object selected, this toggle allows you to switch between showing faces that are closest to the camera or faces that are the farthest. If you have 3D experience and understand normals, the front side displays the front of the normal and the back side displays the opposite side of that normal. To help illustrate, here's a few objects and how they look with front-facing visibility, back visibility, and both sides visible. With an object selected, the transform tool can be found on the top of the properties panel. The first row in the transform panel is dedicated to position adjustments. To understand the position of an object in the spatial canvas, 0 represents the middle of the canvas on a specific axis. Moving 1 centimeter on the x-axis shifts the object 1 centimeter to the right, and -1 centimeter moves it to the left. You can adjust the position by typing specific values or by dragging the corresponding axis icon like a slider. As with other 3D tools, each axis is color-coded. Red for the x-axis, which is the left-right movement, green for the y-axis, which is up-down movement, and blue for the z-axis, which is forward-backward movement. If you want more granular control, as meters are too big, you can switch to centimeters or other units in personal settings in the properties panel when no objects are selected. Next, each axis in the rotation tool allows you to rotate objects around that axis. This is crucial for orienting objects correctly within your scene. Finally, the scale tool. Scaling adjusts an object's size through a ratio system. For example, entering 1.5 on the x-axis increases the width by 50%. Locking the scale tool allows you to adjust the size uniformly across all axes. If you use the scale tool and want to apply the scale transformation to the object size, you can apply scale from the file menu in the toolbar or in the command center. Note that applying scale is only effective on parametric primitive objects and doesn't work with imported 3D objects. In conclusion, understanding object composition is foundational for creating immersive experiences with depth. In the upcoming videos, we'll be continuing on more design features before moving on to making your designs interactive. See you there!